How does a website know that you are logged in? And how can servers securely trust your identity without checking the database every time? The answer is a technology called JSON Web Tokens, or JWT. When a user logs into an application, they usually enter a username and password. This information is sent to a server to verify the user's identity. The server checks the credentials against a database. If the information is correct, the server confirms that the user is authenticated. Instead of storing login sessions on the server, many modern systems create a JSON Web Token. This token is a secure piece of data that proves the user's identity. A JWT contains three parts: a header, a payload, and a signature. Once the token is created, it is sent back to the user's browser or mobile app. The application stores this token and uses it for future requests. Because the token contains a secure signature, the server can quickly verify it without checking the database again. If the signature is valid, the user is authorized. JSON Web Tokens make authentication fast, scalable, and secure. They allow servers to verify users quickly without maintaining complex session systems. That's why BoardDBT has become one of the most widely used authentication methods in modern web applications.